We're going to Orange Beach Invasion right this second. It is 5:50 in the morning. We already hit the gym. We're ready to go. We're just waiting on some people. Slut bus is ready. Almost ready. Not you, the slut bus. Wakey, wakey, Jakey.
I'm busy right now, bud.
All right, I'm gonna go get Zach. See you later, bye. We've got an 11-hour drive. We're leaving here no later than 6 o'clock. That's Zach's words. So we can meet up in Sykeston with a whole bunch of hoonigans at 8 o'clock this morning. So, and that's a 2-hour drive. So we gotta get on the freaking road. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go get a cold start on this Illuminati because, why not? Of course, we gotta do a cold start. Oh yeah, dirty camera for the win. That's what I'm talking about. First cold start of the trip. Don't worry, we got a bunch of tickets over there. Not very much of a cold start. Let's hit the spaceship button. Parking lights on. Boom, looking great. Trying to figure out how to put a sticker on. Well, I'll tell you what, Jake. You just peel the back side off, and then it's the sticky side now, and you put the sticky side down flat.
Be quiet for a second. I'm trying to think.
What kind of sticker is it, bud? Let's see it.
Hold on.
Does it actually say Zach Frisch on it?
This is Instagram. And these are fucking.
Oh, where's the Instagram on the side? Wait, you make stickers? I needed decals. Son of a biscuit. This is why we aren't friends anymore, Jake. You don't even tell me that your lady makes stickers.
Hey. I didn't know.
And it's your fault too for just standing there. I'm just kidding. He didn't do anything. He's just a bystander. Innocent bystanders always get hit though. I think it looks phenomenal.
So I guess
as long as it's not crooked.
go up there first.
It's gonna be crooked. Oh, good morning. Oh, Daddy Zach got a bunch of stuff done to it. Little gold. Woo! I'm pumped for Mr. Zach. Oh, look at that gold, baby. Look at that gold, baby. Mr. Amazon Gold himself. And we are off. Let's get down the road, baby. We'll film some more when we get to the first gas station stop. Snacks, fuel, trucks. Boom, boom, boom. You guys ready for this shit or what? You guys ready? No? You guys are all tired? Okay, okay, that's cool. Don't say anything, that's cool.
Without my permission.
Hey, Karen. Sick, Luma Duty, L5P. Let's go.
Hey.
The slut bus.
What's underneath it?
Amazon Gold.
Yeah, but go further. What does that say?
Oh, yeah. At the end of this video, DM me.
Right here.
With
right
only
there.
that.
Hey, DM that guy.
Oh.
That's who you're gonna DM. That's who you're gonna DM. All of them, except for dudes, man. Keep that stuff in your
Nah,
pants.
you're only
Keep that
getting
stuff in your
dudes.
pants.
You're only
Get out of
getting
here.
dudes. And just like that, we're off. All right, I need to get back to my truck.
I'm so real, you so fake. See straight through you, you a snake. If I don't get paid, then I can't participate. Hell no. Yesterday I f***ed my on the leg.
Old buddy almost messed up. He tried to go around me. I'm blocking the whole damn road. I don't care, because old buddy needs to get out, and we've got places to be. Savage, I know. Probably illegal as hell, but I don't care. Let's get on the road, boys. See you later. Thank you so much. Dumbass. All right, so we just got word that John has a broken belt in his tire and he's pulling a trailer in his aluminum duty. So John is towing a trailer with the truck on it, Chevy on it, with his aluminum duty, and I guess he has a broken belt. So we're gonna go change it real quick. We're like 3 hours from Orange Beach, not a big deal. This is the reason why we left early in the morning. That way, if we had anything, we're still doing everything in the daylight and not on the side of the road in the middle of the night. So let's go see what's going on over here. Uh-oh, you got a broken belt?
Fucking saving the day, bud.
Mechanic Zach! What you got there? Is that your grandpa's toolbox?
Yes, sir. Let me borrow it, you know what I mean? Let me borrow it. You let me borrow it.
Third gen things.
Hey, everything's in there. Hey,
Third gen things.
Jake, come on, service tech, let's go. Hey, chop, take the white shoes off and let's get to work. Come on.
I see a spec.
Hey, just because we're going to Orange Beach doesn't mean you're on vacation all the time. Come on now. Oh, trailer tire, I was wrong. Well, that's not good. You guys have a spare, right? Oh, it's not your shit, right? Oh, okay.
Tire.
You got a spare? Okay, good.
I'm gonna get this bitch fixed when I drive back.
See, this man's always working on something. I swear, I've never seen this guy not work on something. I think you're using that jack the wrong way.
I'm no expert, but that's not a hammer.
Zach, I think he's got your toolkit. Like,
Motherfucker's never been used, man.
it might be. Dude, that's like the Snap-on toolkit right there, and you got the Harbor Freight toolkit.
Hey, my shit gets used, dude.
I love the safety. Wait, this is like NASCAR. We already got this thing changed out. We're good to go. I like the way you pump that thing up. Okay, so that's very odd. So this guy, I don't even know his name. I forgot his name. I met a lot of them today. Anyways, he blew a trailer tire, and at the same exact time, John actually did break a belt in his aluminum duty tire, but somehow he got separated from us earlier this morning and took like a whole different route. So I don't even think we're anywhere near him, so we can't even like technically, I mean, help him at this moment. I mean, so that's kind of crappy. We're gonna continue on down to Orange Beach. We gotta stop off at a gas station because the trailer tire, the spare tire, is a little bit low on air, and it needs more air. And I guess probably get some fuel and some food maybe.
Straight through you, you a snake. If I don't get paid, then I can't participate. Yesterday I put my on a leg. My looked at me and said, you too real. Why you drink so much cold? Because I'm ill. 30,000 in Neiman Marcus, I dressed to kill. She sucked that thing so good, I had to tell that girl to yield. I do what I wanna, so I only chase commas. I do what I wanna, so I smoke too much marijuana. Yeah, 3, 1, me, it's a Royal Rumble. Money don't mean shit to me, so that's why I'm so humble. I mean,
in the South, bro, I swear to God, that's so funny. These dudes just drive mud trucks on the freaking road. Daily drivers. They take them to the ponds on the weekends, the lakes on the weekends, and drive them to work on Monday through Friday. They don't give two shits. That's so awesome. Shit, whenever I get my OBS done, I'll just drive down here. Obviously, they ain't gonna pull me over. They drive monster trucks down here, so why not? And we made it! Well, we almost made it. Finally made it to Orange Beach, Alabama for OBI, Orange Beach Invasion. It's gonna be a blast. This is my first year doing this, and honestly, I've heard nothing but good about it, besides obviously cops can be assholes, but whatever. It's probably because the people that are driving them trucks are being ignorant, so they probably deserve the tickets. Anyways, there's a Buc-ee's. Holy shit! I didn't know there was a Buc-ee's here. We should have just stopped there. We were trying to find a fuel station. We went to like 3 of them because they were all tiny and we couldn't get the trailer in there. But we should have just came here to this Buc-ee's. That's super nice. We're gonna be here for the next 4 days. Look at that Bronco and that single cab dually nut. This is gonna be part 1 of like 2 or 3 videos. There's another truck and trailer. But this is gonna be part 1 of like 2 or 3 videos for OBI. So like and subscribe, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna finish the video right this second. I might not. Might get some more stuff. Now we're here, baby. Now we made it. I don't know, that place looks cool. It's called the Hangout. Buddy's wild. Okay. I love palm trees. If you don't like palm trees, something's definitely wrong with you. So we're trying to get to our place or whatever. All right, chill. I see them things. Everybody's got train horns except for me and Zach, I guess. Room service.
Are you looking?
Hola. What are you guys looking at? Is there water out there? I'm gonna go look at it. Welcome to Orange Beach, ladies and gents. This isn't even my Airbnb. Oh, that's a view right there, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. That's insane. What? Yeah. I don't know what he said. This is a view right here. What do you guys think about this view? Look at this.
Yeehaw!
What was, do it again.
Yeehaw!
Let's hear yours.
Yeah.
What? Say yeehaw.
Yeehaw, bitch.
Yeehaw.
Yelling at that kid.
Were you yelling at him?
Yeah.
What's he saying?
He said, I don't know, something about Razorbacks, but we're not in Arkansas. This is Alabama, buddy.
So real.
This is sick.
30 days, boy, I just made a whole meal. Yeah. Go get you some real money and watch everybody change. Go look in the mirror, nigga, I ain't got shit to explain. I'm so real, you so fake. See straight through you, you a snake.
It's not like it's 1 o'clock in the morning and he just cold started this loud ass